Welcome to watch the HUBSAN drone tutorial video. This video will explain the operation of the auto drifting function. Before flying, please check whether there are obstacles in the surrounding environment of the flight route. After selecting the shooting target, please adjust the lens angle, the height of the aircraft. Click on the app interface mode icon. Slide function to select Creative Video. Click Auto Drifting in the Creative Video. Step 1. Select the lock target on the screen. After locking, 3 modes of auto drifting will pop up. Select Straightforward Audio Drifting. Step 2. Click Go to start the automatic drifting function. During execution, click Stop in the upper left corner to pause the function at any time. Please note that the aircraft will automatically return to the starting point and intelligently restore the camera heading after shooting. After the execution is completed, auto drifting ends. After shooting, the captured picture will be automatically saved. The auto drifting shooting will automatically synthesize a short video and use time-lapse shooting. The shooting time is determined by the shooting time and the distance from the target. Thanks for watching the tutorial video. Any issue? Please feel free to contact service@hubsan.com.